Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be talking about my elderberries right now. To the left I have a York and to the right is a Nova. And I have some cuttings all along here, about 6 of them. I'm soon going to just lay wood chips down on not all but most of my grass and just have a little string of elderberries. I'm going to show you, oh, there's a little spider, it's okay. Let me show you a better color. There we go. Look at how beautiful the elderberries are getting. I had a couple neighbors tell me they noticed what this was. They weren't from California, they were from Middle America, and they said, oh, you know, you can't grow elderberries here. Once again, hearing I can't do something. You can't grow elderberries here, and if you could, it won't fruit. And those same people are coming back saying, oh my God, I didn't know you could do this. That's amazing. It really isn't that hard to grow, but yes, I believe that the huge thick layer of wood chips helped. It's about, oh, I don't know, a foot deep around here. The deeper you go, the more composted it is, but it's just a thick, huge layer of wood chips. So I've never processed elderberries before. I've read that you can't eat them raw. It could be slightly poisonous, or poisonous completely, not just slightly. But everywhere, I mean, obviously this is not ready. This isn't ready, you know, but that is up there. But it goes everywhere. I mean, it's amazing how much elderberries there are. Let me see, I'm gonna show you some more. And they spread out like crazy, just letting you know. That's how I got my cuttings. You see there's the mother plant there, the York. And here's like kind of like a runner in a way, but through rhizome. And there's strawberries in the middle. But you see here, some more against the fence right over there. And look at that, that's 2 clusters in one. There's some up here. It's amazing, amazing plant. These varieties only get about 6 feet tall, and it does look like that because I didn't really prune it that hard in the winter, and it grew up to about 6-7 feet tall. So that's just perfect for me. And I could keep it at that height and just make a wall of it right here with these 6. I don't know what varieties these are because there were really cuttings and me pulling them out of the ground, so I don't know what it is exactly. But if you grow elderberries or process elderberries, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear it. I'm pretty sure that YouTube has tons of videos on how to process elderberries, but I'd rather hear from the community first instead of just researching or watching a video. Really beautiful stuff. I'm going to be cutting any of the ones that are ready now. I was advised to. After the people that told me I can't grow them, they said, okay, now that they're grown and they are fruiting, get the ones that are ready, which are, the way you know they're ready, they told me, and I'll show you right now, is not just the color, because you could tell this isn't ready. You can see this a little bit of light colors. This is what they told me when they're walking me around. And you can see this looks like it's ready, but he said when it's truly ready is when they wilt down like this. That's when they walked me to this one. They said, you see how this is turning upside down? It just wilted over like a fig does when it's ready. They said that's ready. So this needs to come off. You can see how gorgeous that is. They said that needs to come off because the birds will come. Or like this one right here. See how this is just wilting over? I'll let you know what I do. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep making some videos on these berries and how I use them in the future. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.